Imagine a world where your inbox isn't just a mix of newsletters and promotional offers, but a goldmine of opportunities to earn money. Yes, you heard that right. Today, we're exploring an innovative way to turn your daily email checking routine into a lucrative venture. Let's dive into an online realm where every email opened not only brings information, but also adds dollars to your wallet. Have you ever thought that the simple act of reading an email could be profitable? It's a reality for many across the globe, from Russia to Brazil, Canada to Kenya. Individuals are enhancing their income by engaging with content in their inboxes, with earnings surpassing $10 in mere minutes. The digital platform, PaidToReadEmail.com, has revolutionized the way we perceive our email inboxes. By registering, you embark on a journey where every email read translates into cash, with rewards ranging from 80 cents to over $2. But that's just the beginning. Another platform, even more rewarding than the first, awaits those eager to maximize their earnings. The anticipation builds. Which one will it be? 1. Starting with PaidToReadEmail.com, the process is straightforward. Sign up, dive into your emails, and with each confirmation, watch as your account balance grows. From PayPal withdrawals to Amazon and Google Play gift cards, the options for utilizing your earnings are as varied as they are enticing. But what if PayPal isn't available in your region? No worries. A plethora of gift card options ensures that everyone, regardless of geographical location, has access to their hard-earned money. And let's not overlook the importance of an email account, the gateway to this opportunity. Whether it's Gmail or Yahoo, your inbox is about to become your new best friend. Upon navigating to PaidToReadEmail.com, the promise of daily paid emails and a $3 sign-up bonus sets the stage for an engaging and profitable experience. Registration may require attention to detail, but the effort is minimal compared to the potential rewards. Your dashboard, complete with a $3 bonus, serves as the command center for this financial journey. While the platform is versatile, accessible via smartphone or computer, it's the paid email feature that stands at the heart of our exploration. Within hours of registration, your first paid email arrives, inviting you to confirm and venture onto a website for at least 30 seconds. This interaction, simple yet effective, results in points credited to your account, inching you closer to that minimum withdrawal amount. As the emails accumulate, so do your earnings. With a minimum payout threshold easily reachable, thanks in part to the generous sign-up bonus, the path to your first withdrawal is both clear and inviting. Choose from a variety of payment methods and watch as your online efforts translate into tangible rewards. Let's dive deeper into the setup process now, and it's crucial to stay focused due to its complexity. Start by heading to the website's main page to sign up at no cost. The registration steps involve selecting your gender, providing your first name, email address, and creating a robust password that you'll confirm by entering it again. Then, click the Sign Up button. Following this, you'll be prompted to fill in your last name and the zip or postal code for your area, agree to the terms and conditions, verify you're not a robot, and finalize the process by clicking the Sign Me Up button. Once logged in, you'll notice a $3 bonus already in your account, visible in your account's stats section. This platform is versatile, accessible on both smartphones and desktop devices. Scrolling down reveals various opportunities to earn money, including completing surveys or offers. However, our focus today is on earning through reading emails. By selecting the Paid Email option and clicking on the corresponding button, you'll be directed to a page displaying your emails. Initially, the inbox may be empty, but expect emails to arrive within a few hours. Upon receiving your first email, clicking to confirm, it takes you to a website where you must stay for 30 seconds, interacting with the site to prove you're not a bot. Closing the site, post-interaction credits points to your account, with 100 points equating to $1. Earning from reading emails continues with each new email received, each adding points to your account. Concluding, reaching a $15 threshold allows for withdrawal, including the initial $3 sign-up bonus, meaning you only need to earn $12 more. Withdrawals can be made through various methods, including PayPal or various gift cards. Stay tuned for future videos by commenting on your preferred device as we aim to tailor content that best suits your needs. Before continuing with our second website, remember that your engagement fuels our journey at Profitability Plus. Consider subscribing if you found value in our guide to earning through email reading. Your support enables us to continue uncovering and sharing the best strategies for maximizing online income. 2. Now let's dive into a transformative online earning method. Volutic, our second highlighted platform, stands out with its simplicity and efficiency in rewarding users for reading emails. Unlike other platforms, Volutic sets the bar impressively low for withdrawals, requiring a mere 20 cents to cash out. This accessibility is a game changer, making it quicker and easier for users worldwide to see the fruits of their efforts. Volutic's global reach is undeniable. With users from every corner of the world benefiting from its services, it stands as a testament to the universal appeal of earning online in such a straightforward manner. The site's transparency is commendable, offering a glimpse into the success stories of its users through easily accessible payment proofs. This openness builds trust and motivates newcomers to embark on their own earning journeys. Here's what you'll need to do first. Go ahead and hit the register button displayed on your screen. This will navigate you to a registration page. Here, you'll need to pick a username, input your email address, set up a robust password, agree to the terms of service and the privacy policy, and then click Register to finalize your sign-up. Volutic will immediately dispatch an activation email to you. All you need to do is click on the activation link provided in the email to activate your account. Upon successful activation, a confirmation message will appear, and you can proceed to log in to your account by returning to the home page. Upon logging in, you'll be greeted with your dashboard. Shortly after, Volutic will send a second email explaining how you can earn by reading email advertisements. To ensure you receive these emails, it's important to add Volutic's email address to your Gmail contacts. To do this, click on the 3 dots icon in Gmail, choose Filter Messages like these, and then Create Filter. Make sure to mark the email as important and prevent it from being sent to spam. Under Categorize As, select Primary and create the filter. Next, to add Volutic to your contacts, click on the Contacts icon in Gmail, select Create Contact, and input Volutic's name and email address. Remember to save this contact. Following these steps, you'll start receiving promotional emails from Volutic. Your task is to open these emails and click on the links contained within. After clicking, you'll be directed to a web page and must remain there until a loading process completes, which should take around 20 to 30 seconds. Once this is done, you'll receive a credit in your Volutic account. That wraps up our guide for today. Thank you for tuning in.